Welcome to Solverify, the place where learning becomes simple. If you're struggling with homework, assignment, or doubt in subjects, don't worry, you are in the right place.
Hello everyone, in this problem it is given there is the force is F1 is equal to minus 4I cap plus 2J cap minus 3K cap kilonewton, and another force F2 is equal to 3I cap minus 4J cap minus 2K cap kilonewton are acting on the beam. Replace these forces by an equivalent force. So we have to find the resultant force of F1 and F2, and we have to calculate moment of force about the point O. Now the F1 is acting at a point on the beam having the position vector say OA. You can see, you can mark in the figure, this will be OA, and this vector is, values are given in millimeter, we are converting directly into meter. As you know, 1 millimeter is 10 to the power of minus 3 meter. So I am writing here in meter. This will be 4I cap meter minus 0.15 meter J cap plus 0.25 K cap. This will be in meter. This is the position at which F1 force is applied, and this is the position at which OB is the position at which F2 force is applied. You may see the figure. I am not drawn here because it is complicated diagram. So 4I cap, you have to follow the diagram. 4I cap 0.15 meter J cap plus 0.25 meter K cap. So these are the position at which F1 and F2 force are acting. Now equivalent resultant force on the beam will be resultant of F1 plus F2. F1 is given minus 4I cap plus 2J cap minus 3K cap kilonewton plus F2 force 3I cap minus 4J cap minus 2K cap. Unit is in kilonewton. इसको simply, when you simplify it, you will get resultant force to be minus I cap plus 6J cap plus K cap kilonewton force. So this is the single force acting on the beam. Now we are calculating moment of the force. Moment of force on the beam about the point O can be defined as cross product of rotating arm of F1, that is OA cross F1, plus rotating arm of F2 force, that is OB cross F2. Now substitute the value. We are calculating cross product in terms of determinant I cap, J cap, K cap. OA vector already I have written. Here we are substituting the value for minus 0.15 and 0.25 meter, and force is F1 force is minus 4 kilonewton, 2 kilonewton and 3 kilonewton. Similarly, we will find the value of cross product of OB and F2. Again, we should write I cap, J cap, K cap. Substitute the value of position vector OB. It will be 4.15, 0.25, and force F2 is 3 kilonewton minus 4 kilonewton minus 2 kilonewton. When we find the cross product of this, you will get 0.05 kilonewton meter I cap plus 11 kilonewton meter J cap plus 2.4 kilonewton meter K cap. And when you solve this determinant, your answer will be 0.7 kilonewton meter I cap plus 8.75 kilonewton meter J cap minus 16.4 kilonewton meter K cap. Now, so final answer for moment of force about O will be 0.65 kilonewton meter I cap plus 17.75 kilonewton meter J cap and minus 9.05 kilonewton meter K cap. Unit will be kilonewton meter. So this is the answer for this problem. Thank you for watching the